Hey there, future YouTube stars. Pizza the Cat here, broadcasting live from my digital AI-themed pizza galaxy. Stick with me through this entire video for a good laugh, a spark of inspiration, and the secret code to defeating the YouTube algorithm's tricky test phase. It's time to turn those drooping view counts into a feast. Have you ever uploaded a video, watched the views climb for a day or two, and then ... nothing? Feels like your masterpiece just fell into a dirty litter box, right? I've been there. My first video, the zen of napping on a warm keyboard, flatlined after 48 hours. But don't you worry. I'm about to share my secret 5-step plan to post-start any video that's struggling. Sharing this video is like passing out slices of the most delicious digital pizza dips. Just good luck for everyone involved. So, what's the deal with that 48-hour clip? It all comes down to the YouTube algorithm's testing phase. When you first upload, YouTube shows your video to a small group of your subscribers and some new viewers it thinks might be interested. It's watching them like a hawk ... or, well, like a cat watching a laser pointer. It measures how many people click, how long they watch, and if they engage with likes, comments, or shares. If your video passes this initial test with flying colors, YouTube pushes it out to a much wider audience. But if the numbers aren't great, the algorithm decides your video isn't engaging enough and basically stops recommending it. The party's over. But what if I told you we could restart the party? You can absolutely re-trigger that testing phase, and I'm going to show you how. Let's hop into the cockpit of my command center. It feels like I'm piloting a Spitfire made of gold coins and pizza boxes, zipping through the cosmos. Our first mission, adding timestamps. This is step 1, and it's a game changer. Timestamps, or video chapters, are your secret weapon. They break your video into easy-to-digest sections. This does 2 amazing things. First, it helps viewers find exactly what they're looking for, which increases their overall watch time. If someone only wants to know about thumbnails, they can jump right to that part instead of clicking away. Second, and this is the really cool part, the YouTube algorithm loves timestamps. It sees them as a sign of a well-structured, high-quality video. When you edit your video description, all you have to do is type out the time codes and the short description for each section, starting with 0 o'clock. Watch as I do it right here on my galactic console. As I input these codes, my special catnip beams are scanning the YouTube planets, finding the best routes for discoverability. See, the algorithm is already purring. It's simple, effective, and tells YouTube, hey, this video is valuable and organized. Now, let's talk about timing. Just like knowing the perfect moment to pounce on a sunbeam, you need to understand seasonal and timely content. This is our next step to reviving a dead video. Think about it. A video titled My Favorite Summer Napping Spots is going to get many views in the middle of winter. But what if you have a great video that's just out of season? You don't have to let it collect dust. You can perform what I call a seasonal refresh. Let's say you have a video about New Year's resolutions for your pet. It did great in January, but now it's June. You can go back into that video, update the title to something like Get a Mid-Year Motivation Boost, or Why It's Never Too Late for a Fresh Start. You can even add a new intro or a pinned comment that acknowledges the time of year. This small tweak signals to the algorithm that your content is relevant right now. It's like putting a fresh sprinkle of Parmesan on an already good slice of pizza. It makes it timely and delicious again, encouraging the algorithm to give it another look and serve it up to a new audience. Okay, let's get into a topic that makes some creators nervous: re-uploading a video. I can hear you now. Pizza, won't YouTube penalize me for that? The answer is, not if you do it strategically. This is a powerful move, especially if a video completely flopped during its initial 48-hour test. If you genuinely believe the content itself is strong, but maybe you messed up the title, thumbnail, or even the first 30 seconds, a re-upload can be its saving grace. Here's the key. You must delete the original video first. Don't have duplicates floating around. Before you re-upload, it's time for a glue-up. This is where you bring in the big guns. Your number one priority is a brand new, irresistible thumbnail. Make it brighter, make the text bigger, use a more compelling image. A great thumbnail is the difference between someone scrolling by and someone clicking. Next, rewrite your title. Make it more intriguing, use stronger keywords, and create a sense of curiosity. You can also re-edit the first 15 to 30 seconds of your video to be more engaging and hook the viewer immediately. Once you've made these critical improvements, you can re-seed. This gives your video a completely fresh start, a new testing phase with the algorithm. It's like being reborn as a kitten with all the wisdom of a seasoned cat. It's a second chance to make a first impression, and often, it's the one that sticks. So, let's recap our galactic mission to revive your videos. First, we used timestamps to structure our content and make the algorithm happy. Second, we learned to perform a seasonal refresh to make old content timely and relevant again. And third, we conquered the fear of re-uploading, giving our best content a second chance with a new thumbnail, title, and hook. By following these steps, you're not just uploading videos, you're actively managing their life cycle. You're retelling the algorithm that you're a serious creator who understands what viewers want and how the platform works. You're taking control back. Now, when you share your revamped content, you'll be seen in a whole new light. You'll be loved and thought of in a warm, furry way. Kind of like how I think about a nice, salty anchovy on my pizza. You've earned it. You've navigated the cosmos and returned with the secret to infinite views. Thank you so much for joining me on this epic journey through the pizza galaxy of YouTube. I hope these tips help you get the views you deserve. Remember, every video is a new adventure, and even if it stumbles at first, you now have the tools to help it fly. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Subscribe for more cosmic cat wisdom, and share this video with another creator who needs it. Let's spread the knowledge like it's a universal topic. Until next time, keep creating and stay positive. Pizza out.